Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I think is really important: how to improve your productivity. Professional, or just someone who wants to get more done in their day, I think you'll find these tips really helpful. First of all, it's important to have a plan. This means setting goals for yourself and breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. It also means prioritizing your work and focusing on the most important tasks first. Next, it's important to eliminate distractions. This means turning off your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet space to work in. It can also mean using productivity tools like timers or apps that block distracting websites. Another key to productivity is taking breaks. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking short breaks throughout the day can actually help you get more done. This is because it gives your brain a chance to rest and recharge, so you can come back to your work with renewed energy and focus. Finally, it's important to stay motivated. This means finding ways to make your work more interesting or rewarding, whether that's by setting up a reward system for yourself, working with a partner or team, or finding ways to make your work more meaningful. So, those are my top tips for improving your productivity. I hope you find them helpful. And if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel for more informative and instructive videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.